Hello, and welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. I am JD from the Coach Support, and I'm just happy to be talking to you about Kajabi today. Today, we're going to be talking about the Kickstarter plan. The Kickstarter plan in Kajabi is their lowest priced plan. It was new last year in 2024, and it got updated this year, early 2025. And so it's a really cool plan. This plan is $89 a month, and you do get a 20% discount if you pay annually, making it 71. But you get to basically just start at a low cost. There are some limits that can be easy to hit, so it's not designed to be something that you keep your business in, but it is something that you can start in pretty easily. So the biggest limit that I foresee people running into are 250 contacts. And what that means is your email list can grow to be 250. And if you get more than that, you have to upgrade to basic. Now, there used to be a customer restriction, but Kajabi got rid of that. So you can have up to 250 paying customers as well. And if your email list is growing and you're finding people unsubscribe, you could take them off your list to keep your list nice and accurate for who's subscribed. There are some other limits. You get one product, but you also get the community. So that was one of the things that Kajabi upgraded this plan to, is giving you the community plus one product. That could be a coaching product, a course, a podcast, a newsletter, downloads. Now, I would recommend that you're probably going to use it for a course or a coaching product, but you do also get the community, which is a really awesome feature in Kajabi. It's really powerful. It does a lot of great stuff. If you haven't used the community, you can poke around in there and see if it'll work for you. So you get your product plus the community. You get 250 contacts, and you get unlimited customers. Another thing that Kajabi removed the restriction on was landing pages. You get unlimited landing pages. And a thing that they really increased the limit on was emails. It used to be you could only send 1,250 emails, and now you can send 7,500 emails. So when you're starting your business, your list is small, and as it's growing, you're sending emails. You can, send a bunch of emails to a small list before you hit that max of 7,500. The Kickstarter plan is really designed for somebody to just start with, to not have to pay a higher monthly fee, to be able to set up your website, start building your email list, and start selling. Once you're selling and you've got your product and you're starting to make money, it's a lot easier to grow and move into the basic plan where you can, grow your email list from 250 all the way to 10,000. And there's no limits on emails anymore. And you get 3 extra products. Although when you move into the basic, the community counts as one of your products. So it's really actually pretty cool that they add that into the Kickstarter as a bonus to that plan. So yeah, that's the Kickstarter. It's really a great way to just start and get going and build up some momentum before you really need to go into some higher cost things. Now, I do want to just mention quickly, if you don't think that even the Kickstarter plan is a right place for you to start, there's a link in bio plan that Kajabi has. I don't know if it's actually considered a plan. It's free. It's not listed in one of their 4 plans on their pricing page, but there is a link in bio way that you account. There's a link in bio account that you can sign up for, and it's free and it lets you start. You can build a little 1-page website. You can put forms on it. You can put links on it. It's a great replacement for a link tree. And you can even collect payment through offers. You don't get any products, you don't get any emails or anything, but it's really a great way to increase what you're doing in social media by just having a little bit of a presence and a little bit of a way to grow your list. So you can check that out also. And that's all I've got for you today. Have a good one.